Welcome students. Today in exercise 1.3 we are going to see the remaining problems. Okay, so previously in exercise 1.3 we have seen the method, that means how to solve system of linear equation using matrix inversion method. Now application problems. Now sum number 3, a man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. If his salary was 19,800 rupees month, that means per month, at the end of the first month, after 3 years of service and rupees 23,400 per month at the end of first month after 9 years of service, you are asked to find the starting salary and the annual increment. Okay, so starting salary and annual increment must be taken as unknown, right? So we have to take that as unknown first of all. So let x be the salary or the starting salary and y be the annual increment which is supposed to be found. That is asked in the question. You are asked to find the starting salary and the annual increment. So this is x and this is y, and from the given information we have to take the equation. So what is the first information given here is, after that means after the end of 3 years of service, there is an information given. The salary he is getting is 19,800. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to take the equation as x plus 3y, which is equal to 19,800. The reason is this x represents his salary. Okay, this is the first salary, that means in the beginning starting salary, plus 3 years of his annual increment, so that this is the present pay salary he is getting. Can you understand? This is important. So this original salary, that means the starting salary plus 3 years of increment gives the present salary. Now second information, the same way, he is getting rupees 23,400 now after the completion of 9 years of service. So again here also, initial salary, the starting salary plus 9 years of his annual increment gives rupees 23,400. So using the two equations only we have to solve it. Okay, now see, now you have to write this as A matrix, X matrix and B matrix. And A matrix is the coefficient of X and Y. So coefficient of X is 1 and 1, coefficient of Y is 3 and 9, that is taken as matrix A, and the unknown XY is taken as matrix X, which is equal to the constant, which is matrix P. Now to find the X value, bring the A to the other side, so X is equal to A inverse B, right? Now A inverse, what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So first we have to find the determinant A. So determinant of this matrix is written here. 1 into 9 is 9, minus 1 into 3 is 3, which is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, which is not equal to 0. And therefore A inverse X is right. So what is A inverse? 1 by determinant A. So 1 by 6 into, we have to write the adjoint A of this A matrix. How will you write? Interchange the two elements. So 9 and 1. Change the sign of 3, minus 3. Change the sign of 1, minus 1. So this is A inverse. Now we have to find X, which is A inverse 1 by 6 into this matrix into the B value. This is B value. Now before multiplying the two matrices, it is better to take common value from the matrix outside. So if you see here, from this particular matrix I can take 600 outside. Presently I am going to take 600 outside. So taking 600, this becomes 33. That means 600 into 33 is 19,800. 600 into 39 is 23,400. Okay, right now we can take like this and we can write the remaining thing. Now the 6 and 6 cancel, you got 100. Now we can multiply and write it. So this is written as it is. Now we are going to multiply it. So before multiplying, still I can see that in this matrix I can still take 3 outside. So taking 3, this 100 becomes 300. So leaving the 3, this is 11, and divide by 3, this is 13. Okay, now we can multiply. 9 into 11 is 99. Minus 3 into 13 is minus 39. 1 into 11 is minus 11. 1 into 13 is plus 13. And 99 minus 39, which is 60. Minus 11 plus 13 is 2. Okay, now you can bring this 300 inside. So 60 into 300 is 18,000. 2 into 300 is 600. Then what is x? Is nothing but matrix of x and y element. So finally we have got x is equal to 18,000, y is equal to 600. What is x? Starting salary. What is y? Annual increment. So the starting salary is rupees 18,000 and his annual increment is rupees 600. Exercise 1.3, sum number 4. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days, while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that of one woman alone to finish the same work. See here, here also we have to take one thing in mind, that two person, that means two different gender, men and women, are working together jointly, but finally what they asked is, if one man separately working to finish the work, means how much time will be taken. So together, here they have asked separately, that means we have to go with the fraction. The same like this way of problem we have already seen in Cramer's rule also. Okay, so it is already known to you, so I can directly get into the solution. So now here, since the time is asked for the men and women alone to finish the same work, we can take that as x and y. So let x be the time taken by one man to finish the work, and let y be the time taken by one woman to finish the work. Okay, x be the time taken by one man and y be the time taken by one woman to finish the work. Now, work done by one man in 1 day. Okay, how much work is done by the man in 1 day is the fraction of this. So 1 by x. The same way, work done by one woman in 1 day is equal to 1 by y. Now, in the question, it is given in the beginning that the man and women are working for 3 days. So, work done by one man in 3 days. 1 day means 1 by x. So, 3 day means we have to multiply this by 3. So, 3 by x. Similarly, work done by one woman in 3 days is also 3 into 1 by y is 3 by y. Now, what is given there? They worked and they have completely finished the work. Okay, they worked for how many days? Means 3 days. And how many men work means 4 men and 4 women. That is also given in the question. 4 men and 4 women. So 4 men work plus 3 women work is equal to work done. That one job completed. Can you understand? 4 men. So 4 into 3 by x plus 4 into 3 by y, which is equal to 1. So now 4 into 3 is 12 by x plus again 12 by y, which is equal to 1. Take this as equation 1. Similarly, work done by one man, second equation. Okay, work done by one man in 4 days is given. So 4 into 1 by x is 4 by x, and work done by one woman in 4 days is equal to 4 into 1 by y is 4 by y. Now in the second equation it is given that men, how many men work for this, means 2 men and 5 women. It is given in the question itself. So 2 into work done by men in 4 days plus 5 into work done by women in 4 days is equal to the work completed, that is 1. So 4 into 2 is 8x. 5 into 4 is 20 by y, which is equal to 1. This is equation 2. So equation 1 and 2 we are going to solve it. So see here, this is 1 by x and 1 by y. So we can take it 1 by x and 1 by y as a. So a is equal to 1 by x and b is equal to 1 by y, then we can proceed the problem. So now you can write this equation as like this, that is replace 1 by x by a and 1 by y by b. So you have got 12a plus 12b is equal to 1 first equation, 8a plus 20b is equal to 1 the second equation. Now you can bring this in this format. So coefficient of a is taken as, coefficient of a and b is taken as matrix A. So 12, 8, 12, 20. So this is matrix A, and the unknown a and b are unknown, which is taken as X matrix. A and b is taken as X matrix, and b is the constant, which is 1 and 1. So X is equal to what? A inverse B. X is equal to A inverse B. So first we have to find A inverse. So for that we have to find determinant A. So determinant A is equal to determinant, change the matrix A into determinant. So 12 into 20 is 240 minus 8 into 12 is 96. So subtracting that, I have got 144, which is not equal to 0. So here also A inverse exists. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A, which is equal to 1 by 144 and adjoint A. So adjoint A of A matrix. Interchange the two elements in the main diagonal, the 20 and 12. Change the sign of 12 is minus 12. Change the sign of 8 is minus 8. So this is A inverse. Now X is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse is 1 by 44 into this matrix, and B matrix is written. Now see here, from this matrix I can take 4 outside. So taking 4, this becomes 5, minus 3, minus 2 and 3. Now we have to multiply it. So this 4 and 144 can be cancelled. So it becomes 1 by 36, and 5 into 1 is 5, minus 1 into minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 3 into 1 is 3. So 1 by 36 into 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 is 2, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Now you know that what is X is A and B. So now I can bring this 1 by 36 inside. So it becomes 2 by 36 and 1 by 36. So cancelling, I have got 1 by 18 and 1 by 36. So A is equal to 1 by 18, B is equal to 1 by 36. So A is equal to 1 by 36 is equal to, taken as 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18, because previously we made that 1 by x is equal to A, isn't it? So now replace A by 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18. Therefore x is equal to 18. The same way B is equal to 1 by 36, where B is 1 by y. So 1 by y is equal to what? 1 by 36. So y is equal to 36. So x is equal to 18, y is equal to 36. So the time taken by one man alone to finish the work is equal to 18 days. The time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is equal to 36 days. Last problem, exercise 1.3, sum number 5. The prices of 3 commodities A and B are taken as, that means rupees X and rupees Y and rupees Z per units respectively. So the unknowns are already given in the question itself. Very easy. Now a person P, so here person P, person Q and person R are going to buy the commodity, or they are going to sell the commodity. Okay, according to that we have to frame the equation. Now person P purchases 4 units of B and sells 2 units of A and 5 units of C, and such a way Q also purchases 2 units of C, sells 3 units of A and 1 unit of B, and R person purchases 1 unit of A, sells 3 units of B and 1 unit of C. Okay. Now the 3 person P, Q and R, they earn rupees 15,000, 100 and 4,000 respectively. Now you are asked to find the prices of the commodity A, B and C. Now this particular information has to be converted into equation. So for that I will give you a small hint. Now A, B, C, the question is given that it can be taken as rupees X, rupees Y and rupees Z, and person P purchases and sell. So purchase means it is give. Okay, when you purchase something we have to give the money. When you sell something you will get money. So when you give money, that means negative. When you get money you will take this positive. So that is very important. So purchase means minus, sell means plus. So person P from the question, okay, from the question, and just to show you that from the question, person P, see here, person P purchases 4 units of B, purchase, so minus 4, B should be minus 4, and sell 2 units of A should be plus 2 and C should be plus 5. Can you understand? I'll show you that. See here, 2, minus 4 and 5. The same way, person Q purchases 2 units of C. Okay, so purchase means what? Minus. So C should be minus 2. So see here, minus 2. And sell 3 units of A. So A should be plus 3. And 1 unit of B. So B should be plus 1. Right? Now the same way we have to find for person R also. So what is person R purchases 1 unit of A. So A should be minus 1. So minus 1, and sells 3 units of B. B is plus 3. So 3, and C is 1 unit. So plus 1. And they have earned rupees 15,000, 1,000 and 4,000. Using this information, we are going to frame the equation. Right, now see here. This is x. So 2 into x minus 4 into y plus 5 into z, which is equal to 5,000. Equation 1. 1 into x plus 1 into y, that is y, minus 2 into z is equal to 1,000. Equation 2. Minus 1 into x, which is minus x, plus 3 into y plus 1 into z, which is z, which is equal to 4,000, which is equation 3. Now you have got the equation, and now you know how to solve the equation. So now you have to write the coefficients of x, y and z as matrix A. So 2, 3, minus 1, minus 4, 1, 3, 5, minus 2, 1. So take that as equation 1. Sorry, take that as matrix A. Now unknowns x, y, z are the unknowns. So that is matrix X, and the constants 15,000, 1,000, 4,000 as matrix B, where X is equal to A inverse B. And what is the formula for A inverse? So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Now determinant A, so change the matrix into determinant, and you know how to expand it. So 2 into, leave the row and column, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, so plus 6. Change the sign of this element, so it is plus 4. Leave this row and column, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 5 into minus, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, so which is 3 minus 2. Then 5, so write 5, leave this row and column, 3 into 3 is 9, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, so it is plus 1. Okay, so 2 into 1 plus 6 is 7, 4 into 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 into 9 plus 1 is 10. So 2 into 7 is 14, 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into 10 is 50. Altogether I have got 68, which is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. Now we have to find adjoint of A. So adjoint A, how will you find? You know that. Write the sign plus, minus plus, minus plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So first element, leave the row and column. This is already written here, 1 plus 6, so write that. And the second element minus, write this. And third element plus, write this. So now this we have to find. This is the second row first element. Second row first element is 3. Leave the row and column. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. Then middle element 1. So leave the row and column. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. So plus 5. Then the last element minus 2. So leave this row and column. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. So here it is minus 4. Then third row first element is minus 1. Leave this lower column. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. Minus 1 into 5 is 5. Then second element 3. Leave this row and column. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 3 into 5 is 15. Then the last element, leave this row and column. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So plus 12. And the transpose. Right, so 1 plus 6, 7, 3 minus 2 is 1, minus, so minus 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 10, minus 4 minus 15 is minus 19, there is a minus, so plus 19, 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2 minus, so minus 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. Minus 4 minus 15 is minus 19. So minus 4 plus 19. 2 plus 12 is 14. And the transpose. Now you can write the transpose of this element. So now we have to find the x value. So x is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So 1 by 68 into adjoint of A into B matrix. Now before multiplying, I can take the common element outside. So from this matrix I can take 1000 outside and I have put it in the numerator. So 1000 by 68 and this becomes 15, 1 and 4. Now you can find the product. 7 into 15 is 105, 19 into 1 is 19, 3 into 4 is 12. Minus 5 into 15 is minus 15, 7 into 1 is 7, 19 into 4 is 76. 10 into 15 is 150, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 14 into 4 is 56. So that is equal to 1000 by 68. So adding all this is 136 and here it is 68 and here it is 204. And now you can see these are all multiples of 68. So this is 68 into 2 and 68 into 1 and 68 into 3. So I can take 68 outside. So taking 68 outside, this matrix becomes 2, 1 and 3. Right? Now the 68 and 68 is cancelled. So you know that X matrix is nothing but X, Y and Z. So 1000 into matrix of elements 2, 1 and 3. Bring this 1000 inside. So it is 2000. 1000 and 3000. So x is equal to 2000, y is equal to 1000, z is equal to 3000. So the prices of three commodities A, B and C are rupees 2000, 1000 and 3000 respectively. And that's all. Thank you.